I'll be able to do that. Let's keep it. Okay, I think so. I have to extend this down and then only I'll be able to shoot a video. Let's see if it will be working or not. It's good right now. So welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video we are doing nothing, literally nothing. So if you want to skip, please skip it, and if you want to be here, please be here. So yeah, this is Preeti Chauhan, and today I'm doing a little bit hair care with skincare as well, because I'm not at all feeling good, and the one solution of everything is skincare or any kind of care, right? For yourself. And that's what I'm doing here. I was sleeping actually. I slept yesterday late and then I woke up early. I had my breakfast and everything and I came, read novel, and then yes, I did a little bit work and then I slept. And I woke up and right now I'm feeling a little bit something like I have to record. And yes, a little update. I am all alone in my room, and after 3 to 4 days I'll be leaving this beautiful place. So yeah, I'm all alone right now. My roommate's gone. They went their hometown, and obviously they will not be coming because it's our final. And yes, it was our final time here, and we graduated. Yes, how 3 years went. We cannot just like, as you can see, I do not have any words for these all things, so we'll not be doing that, okay? Because yes, let's come to the point. We were not happy with the thing that we have here. Like, I love my hair without oiling because it produces natural oil. Yes, my skin is oily, my hair is oily, so whatever I'll be doing, I will be getting oil. So Saudi Arabia. I don't know what I'm saying. I have no idea. So yeah, I want a little bit to give nourishment so that I'll be feeling good, a little bit good, I would say. And after that, okay, let me drink water first. So yes, where were we? Yes. So after that, we'll be doing a little bit skincare. Not completely, not thoroughly, but a little bit skincare because we did it in morning. We applied a face mask and we, like, that was just for cleansing purpose, as I don't use face wash or soap on a regular basis. Like I use, like I try to start my day with natural cleanser, and that's the reason I use face mask and everything, like Upton I would say. Yeah. And so I'll not be doing a full skincare. Why I'm just talking? I can apply oil as well, right? And then we can chat. It's the yap session, by the way. So here is Parachute's Advanced Ayurvedic Hot Oil Warming Coconut Hair Oil. I know I should not use this in summers, but I'm using it because I wanted to try it, and all of a sudden I got that kick that I have to try it in summer, so I'm doing it. So yes, apart from that, today we had puri in breakfast, and how. So I'll not be doing much. Where was I? What I was about to say? Yes, we are here in Hyderabad for 3 more days, just because I'm having my dance class and I have to prepare for that. And apart from that, yeah, everything is going smooth. We haven't recorded anything. I know. And what? Yeah, we have to do that recap session as well, because today is 30th April and April is over. We are almost 4 months, like 4 months done in 2025, right? I will definitely consider 2025 as a big learning year for me, because it's been only 4 months and I've learned a lot of things. I think it's just about adulting diaries, right? Like, it's all about adulting era, and you will be learning a lot in your adulting era, I would say, and that's the reason it's known as adulting era. So yeah, like, it's been only 4 months and I'm feeling like it's whole 6 months, 7 months, and like that. So yeah, it's good. It's a good sign of growing, I would say. Yeah, I have it. Let me play it. What I was thinking yesterday, getting the music, what I was singing yesterday. I cannot remember anything that I've forgotten. I cannot. I just cannot. Okay. Yes, I have never made any kind of video such as get ready with me and something like that, because the way I use products, it's really something that I cannot show in the camera. The way I get ready is it's literally weirdest thing. If you will be seeing that now, you'll definitely unfollow me. I know I do not have much connections here, but whatever the amount I have, that will also not be there if I'll start making that kind of video. But I'll be making it. I'll be making it. Don't worry, because I'll be making that for myself, right? And yeah, but not now. So what I was about to say, yes, in mid, not in summers, in winters only. I started with oil cleansing as well, like before cleansing. I start with oil cleanser and I started using oils. But as I mentioned that my face and my my hair, face, scalp, everything is too oily. So it's something that's not suiting me. And I don't know what happened. Like my skin is breaking out very bad, and it's taking too much time to heal as well. So I do not, I have no idea what actually happened. Everything is good, everything is good. I know the food is not that much good, but this is something that we are eating from past 1 year, I would say, and nothing happened. I don't know why it's happening right now. Yes, I've shifted my sunscreen. I have no idea why I did it. I was like, I want to try the minimalist product, and I got it. I was about to purchase the same skincare that I used to purchase, but then I was like, let's try a new sunscreen, and oh my god, that sunscreen feels so heavy on my face. It's something that really gives me sweaty face when I apply it, and I personally don't like the fragrance of that, and I feel that it's not something for my face. And I have no idea if I am taking that wrong or what, but whenever I use it, I feel very bad. And when most I'll be showing the picture because I have that, and I don't want to go there. So yes, I'll be showing that picture here. And apart from that, I have one more product that I wanted to talk about in this video. That is, what was that? It's a viral moisturizer. I bought it because in winters I was having a very very bad skin. I wanted to moisturize in a good way, and I bought it because it was too famous for its moisturizing effect. And I was like, it will be working for me. But when I bought it, I've used it. It was good. It was not very good for me, but yeah, it was good. But after some time, I got that I was having some bumps here and there. I was like, no, bro, it's not for my face. Sorry. So I've also stopped using it. I'll be showing that as well here somewhere. So yeah. So I have no idea what's happening on my skin. I'll definitely go home, and from that point, I'll definitely start eating good, applying good products on my face, and I'll try to be a good girl, I would say. And I think so I've did a lot of oiling, and I should not because it's too much hot here. I should not, but it's fine. Now I'll be feeling pretty. I know it's too much, I yapped a lot. Now I'll be taking a little bit oil and I'll be putting on my face. I know you're so much worried that I've said my skin is oily and I'm applying oil on it, so I just want to. Let it be. So yeah. Anything else? No. So I'm after this I'll be going for shower. I'll be coming back. I'll be doing my little bit studies and everything, because I have to study for my dance class exam, right? Whenever I'm saying this, everyone is thinking that, what? Who studies for dance class exam? No bro, I have to. You have to study about theory as well. So we'll discuss about it later. And just let me know if you want anything, and just drop a comment if you want any specialized video or anything, because yeah, anything. We'll be meeting with you all in another video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Namaste. Mwah.